8th Standard Science, Lesson number 4, Current, Electricity and Magnetism. Exercises, short answer. Exercises. Question number 1. Write proper words from the following group of words in the blanks. A. Water in the waterfall flows from a higher level to the lower level because of gravitational attraction. B. In an electric circuit, electrons flows from a point of lower potential to the point of higher potential. C. The difference between the electrostatic potential of the positive end, the negative end of the electric cell is the potential difference of the cell. D. Three electric cells of potential difference 1.5 volt each have been connected as a battery. The potential difference of the battery will be 4.5 volt. E. An electric current flowing in a wire creates magnetism around the wire. Question number 2. A battery is to be formed by joining three dry cells, them with a connecting wire. Show how will you connect the wire by drawing a diagram. Answer. Question number 3. In an electric circuit, a battery and a bulb have been connected and the battery consists of two cells of equal potential difference. If the bulb is not glowing, then which test will you perform in order to find out the reason for the bulb not glowing? Answer. The bulb is not glowing. I'll perform the following test to find the reason. First, check whether the bulb is fused. Replace the bulb with another bulb that is known to be working. If the new bulb glows, the original bulb is fused. Second, check the cell battery. Replace the cell with a fresh cell. If the bulb glows, the old cell were exhausted. Question number 3. Check the connections. Ensure that all the wires are properly connected to the terminal of the cell and the bulb. Tighten any loose connections. Question number 4. Check the connections wire. Make sure the wire are not broken and their ends are properly connected. Question number 4. Electric cell having 2 volt potential difference each have been connected in the form of battery. What will be the total potential difference of a battery in the both cases? In the first case, there are 3 cells each of 2 volt. So the potential difference is 6 volt. In second case, there are 4 cells each of 2 volt. So the potential difference is 8 volt. Question number 5. Describe the construction, working and usefulness of a dry cell with the help of a diagram. Answer. Construction of dry cell. A dry cell consists of a zinc container that acts as a negative electrode anode, a carbon rod placed at the center which acts as the positive electrode cathode, a paste of ammonium chloride NH4Cl and zinc chloride ZnCl2 used as the electrolyte, a mixture of manganese diode MnO2 and carbon powder surrounding the carbon rod which act as a depolarizer. The sail is sealed at the top to prevent leakage. Working of a dry sail. When a dry sail connected in a circuit, chemical reaction take place inside it. Zinc loses electrons and forms zinc ion. The released electron flow from the zinc container to the carbon rod through the external circuit, producing electric current. The electrolyte helps in the movement of iron inside the sail. Manganese, manganese dioxide prevents the accumulation of hydrogen gas and ensures smooth functioning of the sail. Usefulness of a dry sail. Dry sails are widely used because they are small and portable, easy to handle, leak-proof and safe, inexpensive. Applications of dry sail: flashlights, wall clocks, remote controls, radios, toys, and calculators. Question number 6. Describe the construction and working of an electric bell with the help of a diagram. Construction of electric bell. An electric bell consists of an electromagnet made by a winding insulated copper wire around a soft iron core. A soft iron strip called the armature is placed near the electromagnet. A hammer is attached to the armature which strikes the gong to produce sound. A contact screw, spring, battery, and a switch are connected in an electric circuit. When the circuit is completed, the electromagnet attracts the armature and the bell rings. Thus, all the three parts together from the construction of an electric bell. Working. When a switch is pressed, current flows through the coil of the electromagnet. The electromagnet attracts the armature. The hammer attached to the armature strikes the gong and produces sound. As the armature moves, contact with the screw breaks and current stops. The electromagnet loses its magnetism. The spring pulls the armature back to its original position. Contact is restored and current flows again. This process repeats rapidly, producing a continuous ringing sound. Thanks for watching. If you think this video was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.